This is how much I made on DoorDash on March 6th. This is how long it took me to make that amount of money. As you can see, an hour and a half. See, some of these DoorDash customers be thinking they slick. He thought he was just gonna walk grab it. I say, nah, hold on, bro. I'm about to take this picture. Ain't finna put a hand to me and leave it door. No, you about to watch me take this picture and then you can grab it. Come on, man, stop playing with me.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back. We're gonna be doing some DoorDash today in North County. Man, my voice is all the way gone. I think this is the first time ever in my life I lost my voice. Good thing I just bought me a lav mic to go perfectly with my wireless go-to. So I think we're gonna be in good shape either way. We in North County today. We're gonna be accepting some DoorDash offers. It might be some trash in there, but guess what? We're gonna roll with it because I wanna see what the orders is like out here. And I might do some multi-apping, but right now we at Qdobo. Let's go ahead, slide up in here and get this $6 order going 3 miles down the road. Heading into Qdobo for this one. I was quite surprised to see they had a pickup window. Let's go. Leaving Qdobo, parking lot was pretty bumpy, but it's all good. We got back to the main road and this delivery was actually really close. Only a couple miles away, so it's the perfect way to start my shift off. Make sure that you always plan ahead and try to leave yourself in the area where you're gonna be able to pick up that next order or potentially multiple orders if you multi-app. Let's go. Right here on the right, we got McClure North High School. Shout out to all my St. Louis people. Go ahead and let me know what high school you went to. Just put that in the comments down below, or let me know what year you graduated in. I'm class of 08 myself. Shout out to all the class of 08 people out there. Made it to the drop off. Make sure you use that hot bag. We want to make sure we providing good customer service. Let's go. Got my next order. This one came in with as a diamond, high paying order. $8.50, 13 items, 5.5 miles at Taco Bell. So they threw on $1 pay. I'm in Florissant. I've been noticing since I've been out here that it's like a consistent peak pay out here, right? I'm taking advantage. Well, I really ain't got no choice. If I'm working out here, I got this order. As soon as I made it over here to Taco Bell, I'm here now. As soon as I made it over here, they sent me another order, an additional $7 for 1.2 miles at Raleigh. And again, it is $1 peak pay, but this one says the bottom total will be higher. So let's go. This account that I got is got a high acceptance rate, obviously, if I'm getting diamond. Let's see if this really makes a difference. I did get a few trash orders before the Taco Bell order that I declined when I'm at like a 62. I'm working the same way I normally work. If it ain't good, I ain't take. They sending me good orders, I'm gonna take them. Probably not gonna be showing them because I don't want to get deactivated, but I'm gonna let you guys know what's going on. It's some orders out here in Florissant. Boom, ready to go. Alrighty, got that first order dropped off. Front door, leave that door. This one is right around the corner. It's saying it took me 20 minutes for that first order, but now that I'm right here, 2 minutes away from the second drop off, it's gonna be quick, probably 30 minutes total. Total time, start to finish, was about 35 minutes, so a little bit longer than I anticipated, but that's okay. Next offer, $4.50 for 2.1 miles. It's got a diamond on it, 3 items. Woo, I'm trying to do something a little different, man, because I normally don't take stuff like that, but it's keeping my wheels rolling. It's right around the corner. I'm at one of the better McDonald's. It ain't one of the trashy ones that I know gonna take all day. I'm just about to cross my fingers and hope that this one got it going on and they got that order somewhat ready. And if that's the case, I'll be in good shape because that'll be 3 orders in a row back to back that I didn't, that I completed. Boom, literally was right around the corner from McDonald's. Let's go in here and grab this little $4 order, keep these wheels rolling. Now, I went into this situation very positive, but I quickly realized that it was gonna be an issue once I got there. This actually turned out to be a hand-to-me order, and they asked for leave-at-door instructions. It's a hand-to-me and leave-at-door offers. Don't you just love it when it say hand-to-me and leave-at-door? So I get to go in here. I click the button first, can't hand it to customer, and they say just leave it at front desk. And that's fine, but I'm still taking a picture.
But, so just call back.
See, some of these DoorDash customers be thinking they slick. He thought he was just gonna walk up and grab it. I say, nah, hold on, bro. I'm about to take this picture. You ain't finna put a hand to me and leave that door. No, you about to watch me take this picture and then you can grab it. So you know I ain't playing. Come on, man, stop playing with me. Alrighty, I've been dashing since 1:08. Time is now 2:26 and I'm at what? Let me see. $26. Next order, Popeyes, $8, 4.4 miles. We're still on $1 peak. It's Popeyes, man. I can't do it. I don't care if that's a diamond order because with it being Popeyes, it's gonna be a long ass wait. And I ain't trying to do that. I just waited a couple minutes at McDonald's. $27.50 for the first hour and basically 15 minutes. Not horrible, but the acceptance rate is definitely going down. I'm currently sitting at a 57 now on the acceptance rate. So it's gonna continue to go down because there's a lot of trash out here, but hey, it's money to still be made though. And this is just DoorDash. If we click on Uber, it's probably something going on over there. We got $3.76 for 10 miles. Woo, I would not be taking that. No. Nice, beautiful day here in St. Louis. And you know what? It's like 75 degrees. So guess what? Trader needed some to recharge his AC. I had to go ahead and get it popping, y'all. It was getting hot in that car. Should be about full now. Make sure you're keeping up on your car. Make sure you fill them tires up. Check that refrigerant if you need to fill it up with, you know, all the things. Make sure all your blinkers working. Stay safe when you're out there. And make sure you aware of your weather conditions. It's hot now, so I gotta make sure my AC charged up. Time is now 3:20. I only made a little bit of money today because I've been, you know, kind of messing around, surfing through the different zones, checking out the market, seeing what kind of orders is out there. I must say, DoorDash really has improved because when you have a higher acceptance rate, you do see better offers. But guess what? Still see trash too. And it's inevitable. If you online all day, your acceptance rate is gonna go down. So you wanna work them peak time, the times where you're more likely to get those higher paying offers. Because all the other times you're gonna see whatever's out, which is offers that might not be desirable. But it's money to be made out there. So I want anybody out here in St. Louis to make sure you maximize it and taking advantage of what you can do when it comes to DoorDash. I know when it comes to Uber, trip radar, look at this. Now I didn't take none of these, but it was all trips on her. Like even with me not trying to take none of those, if I was getting ready to head home or if I was trying to head to a certain area, I can use the trip radar to make that trip profitable, heading in that direction. So you got to make sure you're using everything at your disposal. We in Webster Groves right now, so I'm about to head on over here to the main little strip and see what we get. Just got my next offer. He's $7.02 for 2.6 miles right over here at Panda Express. Let's go ahead and pick it up and get it done. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to go through the drive-thru for this one. Damn. Well, I was finna go up in there and grab this order, but somebody else already tried to hit the door. So now it looks like we're going through the drive-thru for this one. So might as well flip that around and let y'all see. But since I'm gonna be sitting in the drive-thru for this one and it's only 2 minutes away, go ahead and turn DoorDash back on and go ahead and multi-app madness. Got that Panda Express dropped off and I was able to grab one more order on DoorDash. $5.25 for 2.5 miles right there at Smoothie King. And they had it ready when I got there and they let me pick it up through the drive-thru. Those are the type of orders that come in clutch. Perfect way to finish up that shift. Hold on, grab a little photo, let's get it. And we out. That's gonna be my last delivery for this little DoorDash shift. So as I stated earlier, I was able to make $32.75 in just an hour and a half. Now my dash time does say 2.5 hours, but here's the thing though. I multi-app. So I did a couple Ubers in there. I turned on Walmart Spark, changed my zones just to see what it was like in the area I was working at. Turns out there's 3 pickup locations for Walmart Spark also. But also you gotta realize this is Monday. Monday is definitely the slowest day on food delivery across the board when it comes to all the apps, especially DoorDash. So the fact that I was able to make this kind of money on a Monday afternoon, lunchtime, that just shows me the potential of this market and that there's money to be made. Now, was there a couple low tip, no tip offers out there? Yeah. But I even was able to take one and make it work for me. Now, this is not something I'm advocating. I'm just letting you know what's going on. Get out there, get your money, and don't let nothing stop you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out this next one up here. It's the one YouTube thinks you should watch next, and I'll catch you in the next one.